Where are my colored pencils? I kept them here. I think you took my color pencils. Give them back. They are mine. I saw you near my desk. You must have taken them. You always take my things without asking. Child 2 who is being blamed. I didn't take your pencil. Why are you blaming me without proof? Maybe you lost them somewhere else. Ask someone else. I am not the one who took them. Check your bag properly before blaming me. Teacher intervening. Stop fighting, both of you. Let's find the pencil together. If anyone took them by mistake, please return them. Always ask before taking someone's things. Let's check everywhere. They might be under the table. Be honest and don't blame anyone without reason. Do like, subscribe,